Something for your Easter table, a really pretty arrangement, getting those cabbages. It makes a great little vase. Buying a little bar of Oasis, you soak it in the water. That way you've got something that'll keep your arrangement nice and moist. So here's what we're going to do first. We're going to take these hydrangeas, place them. I'm going to need to cut just a little bit more. You don't cut it too short, but you don't want it too long either. Just put that down in the Oasis like that. There we go. Now, I love tulips. Do y'all love tulips? Here we go. How's that for a fun arrangement? What do you think? The hardest part is carving out the center of that cabbage, y'all. That thing is tough. And I did save the cabbage that I took out of there, and I'm gonna make a cabbage casserole out of it, so we won't waste any.